You're sharing a bit of your life, but it's for the audience to watch.
I got roasted by the biggest meme creator of emotional damage, Stephen He. I thought it from a constructive feedback. Tell me, what can I do better?
Welcome, Namaste to Women of Wonder by Reema Mahajan, or Wow Women as we lovingly call it. Wow Women is our initiative to share the journeys of empowered and ambitious women so that we can all take inspiration for them. Our special guest today is somebody whose journey I've been following for the last couple of years. She has more than 100,000 followers and is a travel and a food content creator. Welcome to the show, Conaine.
Thank you so much.
Tell us more about the blog. How do you decide which places to travel to? How do you decide what food content you're going to put there?
Quite frankly, I think I'm very sure that I want to sell experiences to people because I don't want to be just another person promoting content because let's say if you're an audience and there's a new place open, you probably already know about it from 10 other bloggers, or you probably would have Googled it. And if you don't know about it, you're probably not even interested in it. So my whole concept is that I create experiences so that my audience, whether they like it and they've seen it before, they see it from a different point of view, or they see it from a fun, experiencing kind of a point of view. And if you don't like it, after watching that experience, you would be like, hey, maybe I should check this out as well. So that's the whole idea behind where I pick my inspirations from. As a Dubai resident, a Dubai kid who grew up here, for me, trust me, no one was as bored of Dubai as me seeing the same old buildings and everything. And I remember I even moved out from Dubai because I didn't want to be here because I was so bored. But then over the period of time, I just realized that, I'm not really living Dubai. I'm not experiencing Dubai. I'm not seeing it for what it is. I'm just looking at what it's showing me, like, the tall skyscrapers. Then when I started experiencing Dubai from a very personal point of view, where I love nature, I love being around mountains, I love the beaches, and I find my peace there. So when I started finding my peace in these bits and these places, I realized that Dubai has so much more to offer. And that's what I want to share with my audience. An experience from someone who was so bored of Dubai that now I'm trying to hunt for places which are extraordinary or just simple, but you can actually have a great time.
So, talking about experiences, one of your reels recently went viral, and that was one where you traveled across 7 Emirates in 2 days. Tell us more about it. How did that happen?
It's quite strange because it wasn't a collab that came to me, or I wasn't looking out for a collab, but I remember talking to my partner about like exploring USA, and we were like, okay, you know what, we're gonna do a van life experience at some point. And I just started like searching more about caravan life. And I think it was maybe while searching, I stumbled upon the fact, I was like, okay, does Dubai have a caravan? And it did show me options, and I started exploring more. I was like, oh my God, like Dubai has this too. Why am I waiting to go to USA for this? And that's when I decided that, okay, I want to experience the whole caravan life and how it is to live on the wheels. And then that's when I thought that, okay, let's try this out. And then the 7 Emirates journey is something that I personally wanted to explore and see that, okay, is it really doable, or is it? And people were commenting like, oh, I can finish this in 6 hours, I can finish this in 8 hours. But the whole point was to experience it from a different point of view. I mean, you can go for staycations to hotels on the beach here and there, but this was something which was very, very innovative to me. And I think a lot of people loved that as well.
You did get roasted for that reel too.
Yes, I did. And that was a great opportunity for me because I got roasted by the biggest meme creator of emotional damage, Stephen He. So he roasted me for that reel because I did take my dog along.
Yes.
And he was like, the videos with dogs always work out. So, well, he's always my companion whenever we're trying to find staycation deals. Because my whole point of showing content is sharing my personal experiences, and he's part of my personal experiences. So I got Alex my husky along. And yeah, I got roasted for that.